This is the very first release of 2026 for Involv Intranet. It's a 5.3 release. Today I'm going to be giving a down-to-earth explanation about the new features and mainly also the things we've extended on from the previous updates going forward. To begin, we have extended the features of our content calendar. To summarize, the content calendar is the place where you can create your content, for example, your events, your notifications, or your pages. What we've extended now is that you also have the possibility to create placeholders. So you or your team can prepare the content in advance. The date can already be scheduled. You can fill in the content later. Next up, the call to action in the Megamenu. Want to highlight a specific document, page or video in your menu? Simply add a call to action with button and links to the desired pages. If you want to make some slight changes or completely change the call to action, you just go to the Involv Manager, select Navigation, and change your call to action. Something that was released in the 5.2, the previous release, was the Involv social feed, where you can post, like and comment. So what have we extended on? Now we give our users the possibility to subscribe or join different groups. You can join a private or you can join a public group. This gives the user the possibility to receive social feeds that they are interested in and they are engaged in. A bit more behind the scenes, but of course equally as important, are the performance improvements of your intranet. We have decreased our loading times and added shimmer placeholders. What does this mean? When a page loads, we provide placeholders and occupy the spaces where items are going to be loaded in. This keeps page movement to a minimum. Another nice to have is that to each and every one of our web parts, we added the possibility to add a class, so you can change the styling, like your colors. And we also added the possibility to choose your target audiencing, to display or hide certain web parts for certain groups. Searching inside your intranet has become easier. We've extended on our AI search. Your users can now get prompt suggestions. But more importantly, after the results are given, it can suggest some reprompting. This takes into account the results of your intranet, so you are certain good results are given. Finally, the last item I want to include in this video is the Involv Manager. We have improved the navigation and we've added some new pages like the Involv information, a revamp of the content overview. A good improvement is that you can now check the Involv and Microsoft status pages. There is also a tab where you can check the knowledge base for any tutorial on how to configure or create anything inside your intranet. So, these are all the newest releases and features in the Involv 2026 release 5.3. I hope everybody updates their intranet, and for anyone who isn't customer at Involv, I advise you to book a demonstration through our website to watch our possibilities live.